Hi guys, I'm John Biggs. We're here at Bonobos. This is a New York clothing brand. I've been interested in these guys for a couple years now. This isn't a factory per se, but they do a lot of design and manufacturing here in New York. I'm John Biggs, and this is TechCrunch Makers. This is something very close to my heart. I'm a big fashionista, as it's quite apparent. And this is Andy Dunn. I've known you for a couple years now. We've known the brand for a couple years. Where are we right now?
So we're in our first guide shop, and this is basically the reinvention of a retail store. You come in, you try it on, you get fitted, you get styled. The vision from the beginning has been, it's about great clothing, but it's also about great customer service and bringing those two things together. Well, let's start with the travel jeans. So this is one of my favorite products right here. Amazing cotton with a little bit of stretch. So we call it travel jeans. It means you can live in it, you can travel with it, won't wrinkle. This happens to be Milden, North Carolina, made in Los Angeles. We based the company in New York City because we feel like this is where the most talented designers and merchants and sourcing folks are. And over the course of the last 5 years in particular, as you've seen the brand come to life across the full collection, that's really been a reflection of some of the people, on the fourth floor that we'll introduce you to. Okay. And we're incredibly proud of being a company that fundamentally is making a physical product, but is translating that product in a digital way in terms of connecting with the consumer. This is Air. This is our attempt to bring an amazing digital clothing brand to the women's side of the house. A woman who's coming in is really looking for all the essential pieces in one place. We've added a great easy shirt and clean shirt, which are great pairing, simple pairing, and then we've seen a lot of strength in our sweaters and in our outerwear. So this is really where the brand comes to life. It's a sourcing team, it's a production team, and a design team coming together to actually make the clothing. What's fun about now is that when we started the company in 2007, New York wasn't ready in terms of the software engineering yet. Okay. And what we've seen over the course of the past 5 years, originally we built an office in California for technology because we didn't think we were there yet. New York has changed so much that we now feel like we're ready. So this is the marriage between great technology and great customer service. So we call this the dojo. And this is behind us the best customer service team in e-commerce. Okay. And when you build a digital brand, you make the customer service centric.
It sounds like we're doing like a commercial for you guys, but we're not. They seem like the happiest human beings that I've ever seen in a call center.
These are all paid actors.
Okay.
No, but the reality is that Ninjas, we flipped the script and we said, let's actually make being great at customer service a source of pride. And if you want to build a brand, you can't put your customer service team in Bangalore. You have to be here on site with the people who are creating that brand. As we launch a new site, any issues that come up, they can walk right in there. And that's a totally different dynamic if you haven't made it a heroic central part of the company, in our case, here in New York City.
Okay. So let's finally go see some of the technology behind all this.
Great.
If you're looking at the homepage, you have big immersive photography. You're looking at our cords, you're looking at our suits right here. There's lots here, but kind of like the most exciting part compared to what we had before, I think, is our category page, where it's just a different shopping experience, and it's immersive. It feels not just like you're on some e-commerce site. It feels like you can really get close to the product. This is all of our pants, but you could see that.
So that's something you hear every day. This is all of our pants.
We're presenting a product that you're going to wear, that you're going to feel, that's going to be on your skin all day, right? So the challenge is, if you're looking at other e-commerce sites, there's like this little picture there, but you don't really get a feel for it, and that's the challenge here. So what you're looking at here now is the desktop design, but if you pull this down to something that's an iPhone width, then you can see how the site automatically adapts this. It'll actually, it'll pull the right image size depending on your screen resolution, that it's a seamless experience no matter what device or platform you're on. We collect data about how people interact with our site. This is actually a single-page JavaScript app. I don't know any other e-commerce site who does that.
All right, super. Thank you very much, Magnus. Andy wanted to make me feel a little bit more at home, so he made me wear the goggles here.
But we actually work all through the night. Yeah. When we launched the new site, we pulled an all-nighter, so these are our night vision goggles to continue to be able to code deep into the night.
I'm John Biggs, this is Andy Dunn with Bonobos, and this has been TechCrunch Makers. Thanks for watching.